Hey travelers, so there's one last thing that we want to do here while we're in St. Louis. I found it on my Roadside Attractions app. Krista's calling them.
I was wondering if we could do a factory tour this morning.
It's a factory tour.
9:30. Our last name is Fornerat. Perfect, thank you. It was that easy!
They didn't have a 9 o'clock?
We're not going to be there by 9 o'clock.
So we're gonna do a factory tour. Let's get packed up. We gotta get going now.
What's wrong?
Somebody call 911.
Are you so excited?
So excited.
So we're at the chocolate company. Or you wanna go eat some chocolate?
Yeah.
Let's go see if they'll let us. So this is our last hours in St. Louis. We're going to this place right here. It's called Chocolate. It is a chocolate factory, and we're gonna take a chocolate tour, and we're gonna eat all the chocolate.
Except for the dark.
So I found this place on my Roadside America app, and I told Krista about it, and she was like, yeah, we're going. I smell chocolate. This looks delicious.
I'm going to give you these hats. Okay. They're very cute little hats.
Oh yeah.
Got our uniform on.
Can you take a picture of us
Oh, sure.
with our hats?
Chocolate started back in 1981 over on Chippewa and Jameson. If you're from St. Louis, you know that that's by the original Touch Roots. It started as a mom and pop shop, but before they expanded their company, they expanded their family. They had 3 children, and that's how we got our name. Chocolate.
Ah,
Yeah, so very cute.
nice.
Yeah.
These are all the different flavors.
So these are all the ones that they couldn't package because the
They're
candy
broken
didn't
or something.
come out exactly right.
Yeah.
Well,
Wow.
let's get some.
Agreed.
Let's get it all.
I want to try some of that one. Yeah.
Yeah.
$3.
I like this one.
Whoa.
How about
You can't have that
this?
little
This
man.
has 2 graham crackers in it.
Ooh, yeah, I would.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, no one likes no dark chocolate.
Take a milk chocolate coconut cluster.
All right.
You wanted to come here so
I
bad.
know I did. You're the one who found it.
I did.
Look.
Thank you.
$20.
All right.
Can I eat?
Thank you guys for stopping
In just a minute. Oh no, thank you. Let's go eat some stuff. Let's go. Thank you for the tour. All right, $87.34 on chocolate. The tour was free, and I can make a bunch of videos about it. So it's a business expense. All right, now we're gonna do some taste tests before we go to Illinois. We gotta see what more of this tastes like. We went chocolate. This is the taste test.
All right, so Jacques picked these out. They're called sugar cookies. Mmm.
Oh my.
That's a little ball of sugary deliciousness.
I'm not a huge sugar cookie person, so
It's like buttery.
yeah, it's buttery though. See, if you come to the factory, there's pieces that are messed up, and so they put it into their outlet section, and it's only outlet. You can't buy the regular bars right now.
Correct.
This is the peppermint one.
Jump the gun. Don't jump the gun. I want the big.
That is a big one. Look at it.
Look how big it is.
I gave you the big one.
I want another.
But hey, Beckett, there's gonna be more. It's okay. Okay, ready, set, eat it. Yeah, that's real good. Mmm,
Yum yum.
that peppermint in there is good.
I know you can really taste. Told you.
And it's not like chewy. It's not
No.
hard chocolate with the graham cracker on the inside.
Oh,
Oh no.
Keep watching. We'll eat some more later on in the day. We can't eat it all right now. We'll give stomachache. All right, let's go to Illinois.
What is Illinois?
That's another state. What is it?
delicious.
Krista ate one more.
Peanut butter truffle.
Oh yeah?
Oh, can
The peanut butter's good. I don't like peanut butter and chocolate. Let me know in the comments below.
it's
Do
yummy.
you guys like peanut butter and chocolate mixed together? I am not a fan, but she is a huge fan. We're in Illinois! So we came down to the Lincoln Home National Historic Site because our hotel is not ready yet. So we're gonna go get a Junior Ranger badge here and probably a sticker and a passport stamp. And that's it. Good morning. Oh, there it is. That's his home. Heard the tour's at 1:30.
Yeah, that's right.
Can you accommodate 5 more people?
Actually, I can.
Okay. Tour's at 1:30. 5 minutes before, we meet in Theater 2. 6 people are parking at this national park. We got 2 hours, so it was $4. It's $2 per hour. Y'all want to go stamp the passport book?
Yes.
Ooh, they have a bunch of stamps here.
Service walkway under the bridge. Sign, put a little harness on you.
Perfect. Yeah, right there. Boom. And look at me, this one needs to be done. Did you want to do a stamp, Beckett? Let Beckett do a stamp. Press it down right there. Good job. Oh, good job. Perfect. Oh, y'all did a great job. I'm gonna go look for a sticker. Done.
2 things to look for while we're at national parks.
Okay.
One, Amelia would like a vest. She has so many badges. I think she deserves
I
one.
really want.
You want a vest?
Yes, I do.
Or do you want a hat?
The hat, I think we have too many to put on a hat.
We don't have to wear them all.
Well, but the vest, you can put them all.
Yeah, I
That's the
know.
point.
Okay. All right. That's fine.
Beckett has been asking me every single night for a stuffed animal, and I keep telling him like when we see one. So just like
Look
there's
around.
a buffalo here. If
Okay.
you see something you can use for a video or whatever.
Yeah,
Like,
okay.
He just wants a stuffed animal to sleep with at night.
Okay. You love pencils, don't you?
Yeah. It's a giant pencil. How much is it?
I don't know. Look for a price. What?
That's only $3.95.
$3.95. Brought you money?
Yep, but I gave it to y'all tonight.
Do y'all have any vinyl stickers? No. No sticker. Yeah, they usually have them, but they're out for whatever reason. They haven't gotten any. Working that Junior Ranger. Yup.
It's color a picture.
Mmm.
And he did a maze.
Awesome. We have some time before our tour, so we are gonna have a little bit of some lunch. A bunch of leftovers and stuff Krista packed. Simple way to make lunch happen. I really want to eat this chocolate thing right here. I told the kids that I would share it with them. It's the coconut cluster one. It's gonna be so yummy. Let's go do our tour. That was a good lunch. We got almost done with our Junior Ranger books, and it's almost time for our tour. They have the whole neighborhood area here preserved in the National Historic Site. So not only is it the home, there's all the other homes around here and the streets and everything.
For your reference, you guys are in the back parlor and I'm in the front parlor with you all. This being area for the guests, it have the nicest furniture, decorations, things like that to impress those guests. So when the Lincolns woke up every day, this is pretty much the exact view that they saw. So the kitchen's our last stop of the home. Only one original artifact to talk about in here, and that's that beautiful cast iron oven and stove top there. But thank you guys so much for coming. I hope I can teach you a little something about Lincoln, his lifestyle, and his family here in Springfield.
So what'd she say this house was? Just a neighbor's house?
Yeah.
Charles Arnold. So on the tour, the ranger told us that whenever Lincoln was running for president, he would have like 300 to 500 people over to the house for like parties and whatnot. And they had this old photo right here of the house with all the people out here, and they come from all over the place. So they have horses and whatnot that they'd ride in, carriage right there. That is crazy. Oh wow, it's probably locked. I wonder what they use that for. We'll have to ask what that's for. Like imagine all those 300 people out front right there. That's crazy to think about. Our Junior Ranger tour guide didn't know what that cellar area is for, so I still don't know. Although she did say that the Lincolns had one as well, so it is something historic to the properties. That's a cool looking house. So which house is this? What's it called? Harriet Dean. There you go.
Look at those houses. Which one was we in?
This is the one that we're in right there. No, that's not it. That was their first house before they expanded it. Is that what's going on? I think that's the original home, and then they made it taller. And then this is the third version of the house. They built up that entire back area. That's cool. So after Lincoln was assassinated, they moved his body back here, took an 11-day train ride. They stopped at a bunch of places. So I'm assuming that his tomb is here somewhere. Another question. Is says the 4-year-old died of consumption. What does that mean?
That's just like what they called a disease that like wasted you away, like it consumed
Oh,
you.
okay,
So
okay.
it's like a, you know.
So a parasite that kind of took over the body or
Yeah,
something like that.
exactly.
I got you. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah,
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
So consumption is an illness that consumes the body.
Oh, so you don't really know what it is.
Right, right.
So the guy that lived here built schools for African American children.
So would you like to live in this neighborhood?
No.
No? Why not?
Actually, you would have liked to live in this neighborhood if it was the 1800s. This is a very nice neighborhood.
Yep.
People here had
Still
fun.
is a very nice
Yeah.
neighborhood, honestly. I still can't imagine 300 people outside this house during that. Like, that blows my mind for some reason. So whenever they had all those people come into their house, they probably brought something like this. And they were kind of like advertising him to be the president. Union, liberty, and honor. Oh, this is from his death? Wow. All right, let's go get a badge. Now this picture makes sense.
All right, so I'm gonna take a look at the books.
He's not being a menace.
Looks good. Raise your right hand. There we go. Repeat after me. I promise.
I promise as a junior I will do my best to preserve the memory of Abraham Lincoln
Spread this knowledge
and spread this knowledge
to others.
to others.
All right, congratulations. All right, good
Thank
work.
you.
All right, here are your books back. Badge, badge, badge. There you go.
Thank
Good
you.
work, everybody. Enjoy the rest
Appreciate
of your
it.
day.
Thank you, you too. You're all linking up. Let's go. All right, Becky, you ready? Ooh-ah! Look, stick it right there. Okay. I'm probably not gonna stay.
It's okay.
I think it's time for some chocolate.
Noodles and chocolate.
Like his dream, noodles and chocolate. So we have our milk chocolate coconut cluster. Mmm.
Can I have a big bite or a small bite?
You can have a decent sized bite.
A decent sized bite.
Who wants to go swimming?
And now I get another bite. I think I get it.
No, that's all the bites. There's no more. It's in everybody's belly now. You get all the pasta though.
Dad.
Right, we made it to our hotel. We're gonna try and find something to eat. We're gonna go swimming. We're gonna get inside of a hotel. We're gonna have some more fun tomorrow. So we're gonna be staying at this Spring Hill Suites by Marriott, and it looks like it's a new hotel. Hello. Hi. A reservation for 4 nights. Great. Thank you so much. Thank you, you too. Ooh, elevator time. Yeah, there is. Go.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright, what number?
217. All right, this looks nice. You found the light?
Yeah! That's so bright!
It is. I like it. It's gonna be like 50 degrees tomorrow where we're going in Indiana. And so we busted out the cold weather stuff to get some pants out. Then we're gonna put this bag back up in the tool so we don't have to carry it. Keys. I need keys so that I can get a puddle jumper and goggles. Keys, keys. Alrighty. Let's go swimming. Brought all the things. You like the pool, Beckett? Is that so fun? Yeah. Oh boy, kids are going crazy. Is this so fun? Can you go? Alrighty guys, we had some laundry to do. Krista knows how much it all costs, but we've been storing it in this bag. Let's go get it. Alright, let's go ask Krista how much all this costs. Definitely cheaper than the $31 we spent the other day. So how much was laundry? Can you plug it?
$2.25 to wash, $1.50 to dry,
So it's
$1.75 to dry.
$1.50
$1.50
from what
to
I saw.
dry.
So it was $3.75 for laundry. Well, one load of laundry.
Right.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right, let's go eat. This way. So we decided to go eat at this place around the corner right here. It is called Ingrained Brewing Company. It's a little expensive, but it's right next door. And they were gonna get that horseshoe thing that Krista was telling y'all about earlier. So we are not eating there because they are having a private event today. The Dublin Pub. That's where we're gonna go eat tonight. Okay, so we just ordered the horseshoe as an appetizer. And how does it traditionally come?
With hamburger meat.
Mm-hmm.
And he suggested we do half white cheese, half yellow cheese.
Yes. It reminds me of Oklahoma's four-way for some reason.
Right,
Yeah. Look at that.
How do you eat this?
I have no clue.
Oh, it's like literally hamburger patties on
yeah.
there.
Okay, here we go.
Did you get all the things?
I think so. I got meat, I got bread, I got fries, I got cheese.
Like a heartburn and a bite.
Oh, wow.
Is it good?
So this is the horseshoe. You got some? Got to get a little bit of everything.
Why is it called a horseshoe?
I have no clue. A little bit of everything. Is it good? Yeah. It's pretty good. What you think?
It's like if you had a patty melt, french fries on top. You shove it all in your mouth at the same time.
Delicious? Do you like it? Tastes good?
Good. I could eat a lot of it.
Yeah, it'd be very filling. All right, 3 F's. Is it fast?
It was definitely fast. Because it was a giant meal. It was fast for a giant meal.
Uh-huh. Is Mike friendly?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mike's a nice guy. I like him. Is it filling? Yeah, you're full. Good. How much is this gonna cost?
Did you get the thing yet?
I haven't gotten anything yet. How much?
182.
With tax and tip?
Yes.
Okay.
That's a lot, Mom. I want to say $85, but I think it's gonna be too much.
85?
90.
90.
Yeah.
Okay. That was delicious. Let's go. So with tax and tip, which I left him a good tip because he was good, it was $74.59. We made it back to the hotel. Shock's sleeping there, Becca's sleeping there, me and Krista are right there, Amelia's gonna be over there. We're taking the baths and we are going to bed. Good night, and click this video right here if you guys want to continue the adventure with us. Thanks for watching, and go travel somewhere.